Okay, in the last lecture, uh, we studied the level 1, which was the control basic rules of the road. So we studied this and we also solved a simple problem. So actually there are three levels: basic rule of the road, direct assignment of right of way, and traffic signal control. So in this lecture we'll cover level 2 and level 3. So level 2, assignment of right of way to major street. So you have yield control, two-way stop control, all-way stop control. So now we'll discuss what do we mean by these three terms. So the first one is the yield signs. A yield sign assigns right of way to the major uncontrolled street. It requires vehicles on the minor approach to slow and yield the right of way to any major street. Okay, so what we have, the situation is like we have an intersection where, if you can look at this figure, for example, we have a major road and there is a minor road which is intersecting it. Okay, these both are at the same grade, so definitely there will be clashes if you do not control it. So if it's the major road and this is the minor road, so by yielding, what we mean is that the traffic on the minor road, they must stop and yield to the traffic which is moving on the major road. Why? Because the traffic on the major road, first, its volume is higher. Second, the allowable speed or the design speed of the major road is higher than that of minor road. So the slow moving vehicles, and they are also smaller in number, they must yield to the vehicles on the major road which are moving with higher speed and also greater in number. All the entrance to an intersection where it is necessary to assign right of way on the entrance ramp to an expressway when an acceleration lane is not provided. Okay, so you will have to use this yield sign when you have an entrance to an intersection where it is necessary to assign right of way, and the second case is when traffic is entering an expressway through a ramp and an acceleration lane is not provided. For example, if the traffic from the minor road has to directly merge with the traffic of the major road, there is no dedicated lane for the minor road traffic on the major road. هغه بعض یو نیم cases کې داسې کنه چې مطلب they have installed cat eyes چې کومه merging traffic کی هغه څه distance پورې هغه خپل dedicated lane کې وي, and after that the number of cat eyes gets reducing and finally they merge with each other. Stop signs. Two-way stop sign. The most common form of level 2 control is the two-way stop signs. Now, let us read this. Two-way stop sign means stop sign on both sides of minor roads only, not on major roads. So, in two-way stop signs, you have to install it on both sides of the minor road. You do not have to install it on the major road because we do not want the major road traffic to be affected or to be influenced by the traffic of the minor road. Intersection of a less important road with a main road. Okay, so if you have an intersection of a road with a minor road, but that road has less importance. By less importance, we mean that uh, the traffic that moves on it, it's very small in number, and that is very casual. Okay, street entering a through highway or street. So if you have a through highway means that highway basically دلته چې کوم دا word دی through I think it shouldn't be here ځکه چې highway د دې لپاره وي چې د هغې باندې through traffic movement पे. For example, like a university road, it's an arterial road, but still through traffic home padidi. Yeah, ring road show. So if you have a street which is entering a through highway or street, for example, हैदराबाद रिंग रोड की अगर मैं मिसाल दूं तो अचीनी चौक के साथ, तो that is an example of a street entering a through highway. No, Altaki Wadirjat Maslawa, no what they did, Altaki Agiaga, New Jersey barriers came. So now the traffic from that street first joins the ring road. Bia suggestions first U-turn wakli Lubia chicken area the Hapilkili Apple side the street bande large. So this is an example of that. Unsignalized intersection in a signalized area. Other intersections where a combination of high speed restriction to and serious accident record indicates the need for control by the stop sign. So one you have yield sign and one you have stop sign. So yield sign के दादी ची the traffic on the minor road he doesn't have to stop but he has to yield मतलब आप full speed कम की in order that the traffic on the major road safely passes and then he can pass by. But in the stop sign, the traffic on the main road they have to stop. Okay, so that is what. And if you can see, uh, I hope the difference between the stop and yield sign is clear to you. Now you have stop signs have two subtypes: two-way stop sign and a multi-way stop sign. So you have to use a multi-way stop sign when there are significant conflicts between vehicles and pedestrian and or bicyclist in all directions. Now, two-way stop sign kita Chikamyode, you have installed a stop sign on both sides of the minor road. But now it's a multi-way stop sign. That means you have traffic coming from multi-directions. And that occurs when you have pedestrians and or bicyclists. If you have a combination, you can also have a combination of both pedestrian and bicyclists. So then you will have to use this multi-way stop sign. Vehicular demands on the intersecting roadways are approximately equal. Okay. Now, if the traffic on the major and on the minor road, if their uh, volume is almost the same, then you will have to use this multi-way stop sign. But if I talk about it in context of our society, so I think these stop sign, yield signs, they won't work because here majority of the drivers and the road users they are not aware of these different markings and symbols. So I think the best case scenario or the best solution for our case is the signalized intersections, and if not that, then uh, the method of channelizing that we usually use. Usually they channelize the traffic by traffic islands देते हैं या जाके 28 नंबर की लगून. But still the data doesn't provide a solution because if you look at the GT road ring road, so here the vehicles agree chicken with the keta is the home banaji. So I think that won't work. So raised islands chicken yodi that will provide a solution. And now this is the level 3 traffic control signals. So traffic signals are two-phase, multi-phase traffic control agent या warden. अच्छा, let me tell you, let me go back. Okay, so we studied in our previous lecture hierarchy of intersection controls. So there were 2 points in it. A driver must be able to see a potentially conflicting vehicle or pedestrian in time to implement. Your point dekidade, chikam driver vehicle tanaste, he must notice a potentially conflicting vehicle या pedestrian जो गोरा दा मखामख गाड़ी या is a pedestrian and he's not stopping, so I must definitely reduce my speed and stop in order to avoid conflict. लेकिन in order to जागत that thought ذهن तराशी, he must be able to see that potential conflicting vehicle or pedestrian in time. जागा का time कोई नहीं करना. If अगर यो second पहले दा गाड़ी या pedestrian होता मुझे तराशी, he won't be able to stop himself. So one thing was to see that conflicting scenario. चे अगर that thought वर्षी चे something can happen, something bad can happen if I don't reduce my speed or stop if he doesn't see it in time. Drive number though, the volume levels that exist must present reasonable opportunities for a safe maneuver to take place. Checkum traffic volumes the so that he must keep this in his mind कि अगर दे कि your safe maneuver को ले शी आना. For example, if you have a roundabout, نقص roundabout की ضمن ډیر traffic volume وي, so then هغه هغه چې کوم delay time دی, it will increase by a large amount because he won't get an empty space in order to enter into that roundabout and then turn towards his desired direction. Now, the levels were basic rule of the road. Chikam khabari the far the slide tarala. There are three levels. Level one, two, three. So basic rule of the road. There is no control, intersection, channelization, roundabouts. ठीक शो. Level one. If you look at level one, so level one के you are not installing any device. Natasar traffic signals in a signs in. ठीक शो. So this level one that أغزينو की useful شيء where you have a Chicum society that they are like yo what can I say? Sumra tasara like you can say your matured society tasara. A society who is well aware of the ethics and morals, discipline. A society ki this level one it works the best because here they don't need any control. They understand the scenario. अغي بخبل يلكيجي بخبل أغي سيناريو أغي مطابق خبل speed adopt करी. Then as the maturity level of a society reduces या कम भी, then you will have to move towards level 2 and level 3. Level 2 के you are using stop and yield sign, and level 3 की you use traffic signal control. So level 3 now it doesn't mean che traffic signal control charte we know that doesn't represent a mature society. No, I don't mean that. Even if you have a mature society, still you may have to use traffic signal control because if the volume is greater, ठीक शो, जो volume traffic volume था सर सेवा की then you will have to go towards traffic signal control. But what I said about this mature society and which contains people who have high morals and discipline values. So if the traffic volume is minimal, so then you can very much safely use this level one basic rule of the road. Okay, so guidelines can be found in manual of uniform traffic control devices. इस पे मैंने आपको assignment भी दिया था. I've given you an assignment on this manual of uniform traffic control devices, so you will have to submit that as well. Okay, so now we will study this level 3. Traffic signal device is one of the most important and effective methods of controlling traffic at an intersection. Electrically timed devices that assigns the right of way to one or more traffic streams so that these streams can pass through the intersection safely and efficiently. Suitable when excessive delay at stop signs and yield signs, angle and side collision, pedestrian accidents. Okay, so I had had already told you in the previous class about the hierarchy of providing different or avoiding accidents of traffic at intersection using different strategies. For example, the first one was that if you have an intersection and if the stop and yield sign doesn't work, so you can move towards a roundabout. But if the traffic volume increases, so then the roundabout won't work. So then you will have to use a signalized intersection. Then if the traffic volume further increases and traffic signal still it will work, but चिकम time अगर vehicle चिकम कतार में जोड़ी गया red light का. So that will be so huge चिकम का 60 seconds timing work करेगा कि वो tool vehicle नहीं है. So you will be wasting about 5-6 minutes of traffic, and people don't feel well when they are being stopped for uh, like चितागी देर साथ उधरे, then they become impatient. So then why sir traffic jams or accidents khatri होंगी because everyone is so frustrated during that time. I don't know, it's like human psychology that if they are staying at a certain place by their own will, say people marze usi ki uladi so agi bana tangigi. वो kanata by force udhuli we red light we and you agi matlab 2-3 minutes पूरे wait किया या 5 minutes पूरे because an intersection है कि था sir four sides. The कागज number chose the large she then after 3 turns बाद बतागा number ठीक था. So yeah, it's human psychology chaga by force udre then he doesn't feel good. So then you will have to move towards uh, flyover या underpass the options अलग हुई. So तीन पहले से सुमरी दा 8 grade थी ठीक शो. So flyover or be underpass. Now flyover by you will have to provide when चिकम का सारा major traffic there which is higher in volume that agata sir चिकम योदे. Okay, so you'll have to provide an underpass Chikala Tasa major traffic we Agatasara to Barasatal Wadi or Chikam Tasa minor traffic we no Agalandi motion. But in case of a flyover, a major traffic, a para diversi or Chikam Tasa Landi minor traffic we no Alandi move. Kiwi. Okay, so traffic signal devices you will have to use when Chikalata circum the stop signs and yield signs, so it causes excessive delay. Okay, so now you have a mature society, people who can read these signs and who understands them, but still and they still stop and yield to the traffic on the major roads. ठीक शो? But Chikam, the traffic on the major road it's so high in volume that it is causing excessive delay to the drivers on the minor road. ठीक शो? So in that case, you will have to provide these traffic signals. जी हर चाहता equal opportunity मिलोश. If you have like one or two vehicles a minor road by Nukahi 5-6 minutes and wait to a major road traffic ta, so it's good. But if that sort of a minor road home traffic volume is increasing, so then you will have to go towards traffic signal controls. चित्तौड़ the equal opportunity मिलोश. अलबत्ता what you can do in the traffic control timings जितना major road था ज्यादा time working, for example 90 seconds working or जितना minor road traffic थे अभी तक तो 60 seconds work depending upon the traffic volume on both the roads. And let me tell you one thing, the intersection जिकम signal optimization there, so you can use Vism software for this purpose. ठीक है? You can model that intersection in the software or the study كل شيء تكذب major road signal timing worko or minor road signal timing worko. No أغيد وجه delay summer razi. Okay, so based on a number of simulations, the chikam optimum signal timing that you can find that from Wisdom software. You can model that situation there. So if you are working or you're doing some job with a consultant, and if they face some issue like that, so you can go towards Wisdom software and you can find optimum timing and solution for that particular scenario. Ha, if you are using that software to derive at an optimum solution, look of the data home pakari. For example, the major road values on the traffic volume, the traffic volume on the minor road, the composition of traffic, what type of traffic you have. You have passenger cars, rickshaws, motorcycles, you have sedan cars, you have trucks, buses, pickup vans. ठीक शो या आगे की जिको मेरे ताकि driver perception time show how much distance they keep between themselves. ठीक शो so all these parameters तब field की data collect you have to collect this data from the field and then you will have to input that data into software or जब the simulations run की. So based on your actual data you will get an optimum solution. Optimum solution but see in terms of signal timing. J. How much timing to allow collision on both the major and minor road so that excessive delay doesn't run. What is excessive delay? या पे your stop sign रानी तो सुमरा time the पारा गाड़ी उधरोलेशी that they don't feel unwell या they don't feel irritated. मतलब per red sign बांधे the vehicles are stopped. So how much time is enough so that the drivers don't feel irritating and they feel bad चिंता सलांजा दा चीज़ें तुम्हारे साथ वाला है. So for that you can refer to international guidelines. There must be some अभी बस studies करी हुई. या you can also तखपल लगा मतलब आपको international guidelines दिखा ना. What you can do the daga home college like such a come society the come area like the questionnaires share कस्ट खल्कु सारा and you ask them कि अगी सुमरा time पूरे मतलब they are comfortable और ची सुमरा time नसीबाशी then they don't feel good ची like I'm stopping सुमरा time ना पाना ज़रूरी पड़े right ना कवालाड़ी so दा यो मतलब ची कम value दा ची सुमरा time पूरे ता अगी उधरोले शी that they don't feel irritated so you can find this from international guidelines as well as questionnaire survey home college. Okay, you have angle and side collision, pedestrian accident. So if you have these cases, मतलब जिसका अकम diagnosis there, so it's not only limited to these 3 points, but these are the major points. So when you have these things, so then you should go towards the traffic signal devices. So its purposes are to improve overall safety, of course. Chakala traffic from all the directions are stopped and only one direction traffic is moving, so of course there will be safety. There will be regularized traffic streams, decrease average travel time through an intersection. अच्छा travel time क्यों कम होगा? Why the travel time will reduce? Because everyone will get his own turn to move through that intersection. Intersection signal control nave, so there will be haphazard movement and that almost always leads towards a traffic jam. So when there is a traffic jam, so travel time को बस increase the quality of services for all or most traffic streams. Factors to consider are justification must be made based on traffic flow, pedestrian safety, accident experience, and the elimination of traffic conflicts. Okay, so now if you are providing a traffic signal, the if you are your intersection, if you are providing, if you are making an intersection signal controlled, so you must have some justifications. ठीक शो. So if you can study that manual, which will you have to in your assignment, so Agiki Bahumri, that will also contain information about that when should the authorities move towards providing signals on intersection. ठीक शो. But you can also conduct local studies as well. And based on those Chikamta study uka, based on those conclusions, you will have to recommend to the authorities that this thing needs to be done. So the advantages involves potential reduction of some types of crashes, particularly angle crashes. Acha, angle crashes. Now if there is a traffic which is coming from the north and moving towards the west, ودي تداعي vehicle there. وتزيد بعد ذلك there is this angle crash. ठीक शो. Uh, there will be provision for pedestrian to cross the street, of course, if there are pedestrian crossing signals, so they will be able to safely cross it. Side street vehicles will be able to enter the traffic stream. Improvements in capacity, possible reductions in delay. So these are all the advantages of signalization. Disadvantages include that if you have a poorly timed signal or one that is not justified can have a negative impact. It can increase vehicle delay, it can increase vehicle crashes, cause disruption to traffic progression, encouraging the use of routes not intended for through traffic, disobedience of signal indications. Acha, as I told you previously that uh, installation of traffic control signals, ठीक शो. And if you do not properly time it, so then there will be disadvantage. Then there will be like the drivers won't, they would feel irritated, and due to that they feel irritated. Arriba be sabrisha, they will act impatiently. So there will be disobedience of signal indication. Arriba cross ka red signal. ठीक शो. And if they are crossing the signal, they are not obeying the traffic signals. There will be crashes. There will be delay. Delay बस समझ भी तासा traffic jam राजी. Yeah, what will happen that the through traffic become the traffic which is moving on the major road. Arriba this signalized intersection bali due to the large amount of become red become signal time there चागा का ज़्यादा हुई और अगली ज़्यादा time wait कई तो अगली बस का यही बता चिकम major road है दावा प्रीदियो चिकम तासारा जैसे bypass street शादी अगली बागा use को शुरू की तो अलता के चिकम bypass streets थी small alta كده traffic volume زياد شنو كم alta local pedestrians يا local traffic ده انه alta بدا crashes خطر زيادة شي. So كم دلتا داي problem يوزي كده and this problem كم impacts the أغلب كوارشي. ठीक شو. So that is why I gave you an example of Vism software because there can be other softwares as well, but you have to first optimize your signal timings in that software which comes as an optimum solution, then you should implement that. If you implement that solution, then there won't be these problems. The Manual of Uniform Traffic Control Devices specifies second edition McShane 9. Okay, McShane, this is the recommended book for this course, so you can also study that. So it specifies different warrants that justify the installation of a traffic signal. The manual requires, however, that a comprehensive engineering study be conducted to determine whether or not installation of a signal is justified. Okay, just as I told you guys earlier, that first you need to conduct a local study. You can also refer to also international guidelines home Kateshi, but you also need local studies because international situation or जे कम studies come countries issue or some situation these are different. So first you need to conduct an engineering study. Now, what will the study include? So, it must include applicable factors reflected in the specified warrants but could extend to other factors as well. On the other hand, traffic signal control should not be implemented if none of the warrants are met. In the final analysis, if engineering studies and or judgment indicate that signal installation will not improve the overall safety or operational efficiency at a candidate location, it should not be installed. Okay, so first you must conduct a local study. Local study must include about the traffic volume on both the major and minor road, the composition of the traffic, and then, for example, one way that you can model that signal, that intersection in that software, and you can study its results like delay, travel time, everything. Now, compare these values with the present situation. Present situation की इस सब signals नहीं install करी. No, the signal installation sara if तासर system की efficiency रही, travel time कमीगी, so well and good you can install it. But if there is a so efficiency या so travel time न कमीगी, so then there is no need to spend that money on this project. Acha. So what type of data do we need for this engineering study in order to find that do we have to install this traffic signal or not? So you need traffic volumes for each approach for at least 12 hours of a typical day. ठीक शो? For each approach, तासर चिकम four-legged intersection है. So in that case, you have how many approaches? North, south, east, west. ठीक शो? So the north, south, east, west direction की चिकम तासर traffic या बतेरा रवानी या आगा direction की move की. So you need the traffic volumes for that. For example, the traffic volume coming from the north direction towards this intersection and the number of or and the traffic volume which is coming to that intersection in order to move towards the north direction. ठीक हुआ? So you need at least 12 hours हमारा of a typical day. Day 12 hours के बता सर peak hour घूम राशि था सर बता से और so much चाहिए कि but the traffic will be minimal. ठीक हुआ? Vehicular volumes by movement and vehicle class during each 15 minutes of the 2 hours of the AM and 2 hours of the PM during which total traffic entering the intersection is greatest. अच्छा, चिकम तासा the traffic volume में you will also चिकल से when you are performing this study so you will also get to know about the type of vehicle as well. ठीक शो? Pedestrian volume counts on each crosswalk for the same period as noted in item 2. So you'll also have to note the pedestrian volume as well. Number fourth one is the information on nearby facilities and centers serving the young, elderly or disabled. Okay, so you must have information about the nearby areas, the nearby areas surrounding this intersection. For example, tasar cinemas, theaters, the tasar shopping malls, the tasara commercial plazas, yeah, restaurants. So you need also information on that because که تاسو رestaurant سي سو usually غرمې ټایم او شپې ټایم کې زیات ټرافیک هغې ته راځي. شاپینګ سنټر سي سو خو any time خلک مطلب څوک خلک پریفر کوي د ورځې څوک خلک د شپې لایک 8 9 بجو کې شاپینګ لپاره مطلب people prefer چې مطلب offices نه ورته چوټي شي. If you have a gymnasium, so some people go to gym in the morning, some people prefer it in the evening. So for that information you need posted or statutory speed limit and or the 85 percentile approach speed on all uncontrolled approaches. Okay, so you also need to know information about the speed limit. چې کوم تاسو major road or minor road چې هغه کوم speed لپاره design شوی دی, you need to know about that, and also you need the 85 percentile approach speed. Okay, उस 85 percentile approach speed څه مطلب ہے؟ 85th percentile approach speed مطلب دا دی کنه, I'm telling in پښتو چې تاسو پوه شئ چې that speed چې هغې نه 85% vehicles هغه speed باندې ځي یا هغې نه کم وي speed. For example, که تا سره 85th percentile speed تا سره for example دی 40 kilometers per hour, نو په دې مطلب دا دی چې 85% of all the vehicles هغې یا 40 kilometer per hour speed سره ځي یا دې نه کم speed سره ځي. ٹھیک شوه؟ یا ته داسې هم ویلی شې چې 85% خو دې 40 باندې speed باندې ځي یا دې نه کم ځي, یا داسې هم ویلی شې چې 15% vehicles داسې دي چې هغه د 40 kilometer per hour speed نه زیات speed باندې ځي. په دې پوه شوئ؟ Any question?